In the 2000s, we were appalled that there were companies making billions of dollars exploiting cheap labor. And in the 2010s, until now, we were appalled that there were companies making billions of dollars with very few employees. And over the next decade, we're going to be appalled that there are individuals making billions of dollars with very few employees. The balance of power is shifting to the individual. And unfortunately, in business school, in accounting school, in CPA school, they never tell you any of this. Now that we've moved into this digital world, this is the gateway drug to trust. So I'm going to give you the starter kit to how to navigate in the age of the individual. The starter kit. Number one, it's developing your personal moat. Like, what is your unfair advantage? What differentiates you from the rest of the world? It could be an asset, be a talent or skill or community. What is your personal moat? And finding that is really important. Number two is picking a niche, picking a topic that you're really passionate about. Number three is publishing regularly, meaning it could be audio, it could be video, it could be writing, it could be a text message, it could be a group chat, it could be a newsletter, it could be a clubhouse, it could be getting on phones with your particular clients, it could be running an event for CFOs, whatever it might be. Develop the muscle around publishing. Make your audience feel like they're valued. Collaborate with others, learn from others, and ultimately teach others. Teach newbies, teach newcomers. This is the starter kit of how to navigate in the age of the individual and ultimately how to garner trust.